morning, everyone. I am Principal Kayode Ayetiwa, and I'm so excited to have the entire community here to our scrimmage to get ready for the first drone aerial competition in New York City history. So we're making history here today at Harts High School. So all are welcome, and it's the beginning of great things to come.
Cadets?
Thomas?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we're good. So listen, I just want to say this partnership started a while ago. This man came to my career fair. We hit it off, I believed, because he had passion. And we actually talked about doing something like this. And we tried to get it off the ground, it didn't work. But him, on his own, as he started to promote himself into more schools, we have what we see here today. We have theory in action. And citywide, these kids are having the experience and the time of their life. You can see it in their faces, they're having a great time. So Tony, I just want to thank you for that.
Anytime, baby. We're gonna bring it Thomas Edison next year, baby. All right?
All right. Come on, you gotta say more, bro.
Appreciate it. Oh no, you know what? I really appreciate Moses definitely bringing us to the light, right? And then introducing us to, Hart High School, Epic. Without, his blessing, we would not be here at all. So it had to start with at least one. We had to prove the concept, and then that's been proven, and now what we're gonna do is just expand and do a lot more just to expose a lot more students. So no, thank you, because he's got me in here, and without faith, then I don't even know what I'll do. I'll probably have to go back to correction.
No, listen, the great thing about this is that not only touching it citywide, but I think we're gonna have the opportunity to bring this now as a chapter here, right?
Yeah.
Because most of our kids have to travel to another state. So if we build this right, people would come to New York State now, or to New York City rather, and we're gonna host a big one. So that's the future for us. So let's make it happen.
Thanks, sir. I appreciate you, man.
I said good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
All right, welcome to the aerial drone competition. Give yourself a round of applause. All right, if you don't know me, you're gonna get to know me. My name is Sergeant Reed, or Mr. Reed. All right, you are in Hart High School. Hart stands for health, arts, robotics, and technology. All right, you are in the domain. We will be doing this competition in the center. Today we're doing a scrimmage. This is the first ever New York City aerial drone competition. All right, you were the first, and it's always good to be the first, because now you will get to witness going further what's going to be happening. And identify the color. You can reposition it, reset it, right? And then you do another code. So what I'm saying is that lens, points, you can reposition it. Then you can be like, all right, take off. Figure out what the height is, inches-wise. Pitch forward, go, land, all right? So that we're all clear on that. So, take off, fly through here, the arch, land. Make sure the color, the center identified. You guys come here, all right, cool, we're gonna reposition it. Take off again. Make sure you have another code for that. Throttle up, pitch forward, go through its sequence. So, we got to 12, get it together. I want to see someone complete this. This is the most important part. I don't care about any of that. That one, that's controller use. This is the money. Get the money.
Okay? You can't see those balls in the track. Okay? So, you're my pilot, so make sure that. Okay? I'm going to be like, this way, that way, down, left. I might shout, go left, go right. Not very efficient, but you can try that. And you're gonna try to get the ball down the track. Again, I don't expect anybody to be working on that level today, but if you do, celebration. Okay? You land before the buzzer, you get points. Well, you guys take notice if I figure eight and I skip this step and then go to the other. You don't get points. You have to do everything in order on piloting skills. Okay, last thing is compass.
Okay? The idea here is you guys get the sense on how to do this. You know? Maybe it's upside down. Flip it over. Right there. Good. So now you're going to even turn this on. Right, so now you're linked. Purple and purple. Now you're linked. You're good to go. So now you can take this drone. You're going to hit the connect button. It should be green. I know it turns all over the place. All right, so it doesn't turn green. So you don't have anything up there. Double click on that. Good. Hit connect. So boom, now you're connected. It's going to tell you the percentage wise. You got 59% on your battery. If you need more batteries, it's all right here.
Okay, thank you.
Okay? So now, get out of here. Go get that done for me, all right? I'll make me proud. Or you can leave it here, bro. Leave it more. You can leave it here.
Okay, come through. Okay. You can land.
Push it, yeah.